Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Soul Status Quick Hitter. We are back. Chris, Mike, Moose. We are here. Like, share, subscribe. As always, it just helps us out. Also hit the bell notification or hit the bell icon so you get notified anytime any of our videos go live. We're gonna get right into it.
Let's do it.
Have you seen the pictures of all these people who have early pairs of trophy rooms?
I've seen a couple, and I've seen some early on, even before, like, I mean, recently bringing this up, but I don't get how they're getting all of them that early.
And I saw a picture from a dude in one of the groups that I'm in who had like hundreds. A wall of trophy rooms. There's only supposed to be, what, 12,000?
That's what I was gonna like, where's the rest of them? Like, who else is getting
I have no clue. Like, come on, Marcus. Like, how many have you backdoored? Like, I get it. People are going to get them early. I get celebrities, some people, maybe some resellers who can have a link that can get them, but how many people are going to have, like, number 826?
You know what's going on here? I think
What?
It's here.
the trophy room, the store.
He just said, F it.
I think, I mean, they have multiple locations, right? And there's employees that work there, you know, managers and everything. I mean, like, once you get into this level of, like, desirability, yeah, with only 23,000 pairs being released, they're fetching, I'd say, $2 to $3 grand on the secondary market pre-release. I know that there's been guys who have gotten early pairs without boxes. There's been people who have got them with boxes. I even heard that if you pay, you can secure release pairs that actually, like, on the day of release, you could secure the pairs. And I want to say that those things are gonna cost about 800 to 1,000, maybe. 800 is the number I heard if you buy enough of them. So, like, I think that at 800, that's a reasonable price for them. 2,000 to 3,000 is kind of crazy, but you also got to think that these stores have bills, they got employees to pay, and, you know, I'm sure that, like, if we had a store like that and we had shoes like that me and Mike would want personal pairs, and we'd pull out those, like, and set them to the side, and then maybe our employees, we'd bless them with a pair for retail. And then maybe if we were strapped for cash after, like, a year, let's say like 2020 with COVID, you know, there might be some $2,000 sales that might be happening just to try to make up for lost income.
That's nuts. I don't know how many of these pairs that people have the blue laces that are supposed to be the legit pairs, but if it's a lot of them, how many of these are actually gonna hit for retail?
So if they have the blue laces, they're the authentic ones.
Allegedly.
Well, look
Per
out for
Marcus
that.
Jordan.
Per Marcus Jordan.
Yeah, so I don't know. What do you guys think about the trophy rooms? Are you gonna try to hit? Is it even feasible for you to even do so at this point?
Yeah.
And how many of these pairs do you think are real? Let us know down in the comments. Like, share, subscribe. As always, hit the bell notification so we let you know when these videos drop, and we'll catch you on the next one.